Hello everyone, Astish Kumar, lecturer in English in Surya School, Mahendragarh. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic tenses. In my last video, I taught you about the structure of past indefinite and past continuous. Okay, now in today's video I am going to tell you about the structure of past perfect and past perfect continuous tense. Okay, you know very well that tense is that a form of verb which shows not only time of an action but also the state of an action. We can divide tense into three parts: present, past and future. Each tense we can classify into four categories. Simple, I mean to say indefinite, and the second category is continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Now I am going to tell you about past perfect tense. Okay. Yes. Past perfect tense. Had plus third form. These are the helping verbs of past perfect tense. Okay. You can use had plus third form along with all subjects. Okay, I mean to say that I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any singular thing, any plural thing, we should use had plus third form in past perfect tense. After that, the structure of past perfect tense. This is the structure of simple sentence of past perfect tense. Subject, had plus third form plus object. The sentence for this: he had written a letter. If you write I in place of he, then you will also use had along with third form plus a third along with third form. Okay. After simple sentence, this is the structure of negative sentence of past perfect tense. He had not written a letter. You know very well that we should write negative form note between main verb and helping verb. Okay. Had is helping verb, written is main verb. Okay. Subject, had, note, third form of verb, object. Okay. After negative sentence, this is the structure of interrogative sentence: had plus subject plus third form plus object. At the ending of the sentence, you should mark interrogative mark. Okay. Had he written a letter? Had he not written a letter? In interrogative plus negative sentence, you can start from the helping verb. In past perfect, helping verb is had, and after that you should mention subject. After subject you should mention negative form note. After negative form note you should mention third form of verb, and after third form of verb you should mention object, and after object you should mention interrogative mark. The sentence for interrogative plus negative sentence of past perfect: had he not written a letter, interrogative mark. Okay. Past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense: had been, first form plus ing. Had been is the helping verb for past perfect continuous along with first form plus ing. Okay. With all type of subject: I, we, you, they, he, she, it, any name, any singular thing, any plural thing, we should use had been first form plus ing in past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now I am going to tell you about the structure of past perfect continuous. Okay. He had been writing a letter since morning. I have already told you that we should use since to express point of time. Okay, definite time. we should use for period of time. He had been writing a letter since morning. Clear? The structure for simple sentence of past perfect continuous: subject had plus been, first form plus ing plus object, rest part of the sentence. Okay. He had not been writing a letter. Structure for negative sentence of past perfect continuous is subject had plus not plus been, first form plus ing plus object, rest part of the sentence. Okay. Had he been writing a letter? The structure for interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous is had plus subject plus been, first form plus ing plus object plus rest part of the sentence. In interrogative plus negative sentence, had he not been writing a letter since morning? Okay. Had plus subject plus not plus been plus first form plus ing plus object plus rest part of the sentence. At the ending of the sentence, we should mark interrogative mark. Okay. In today's video, we have discussed about the structure of past perfect tense, helping verb of past perfect tense, simple structure, negative structure, interrogative plus negative structure of past perfect tense. After that, we have discussed about past perfect continuous, helping verbs for past perfect continuous is had been, first form plus ing. Structure of past perfect continuous. This is the structure for simple sentence of past perfect continuous. Okay. This is the structure of negative sentence of past perfect continuous tense. Okay. This is the structure of interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous. Okay. This is the structure of interrogative plus negative sentence of past perfect continuous. Okay. In my next video, I will tell you about future tense. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day. Okay.